Write a congruent statement for the triangles. Identify all pairs of congruent corresponding parts. To write a congruent statement for the triangles, you first need to identify the corresponding vertices. To help you identify the corresponding vertices, you can first rotate triangle YXZ as shown. Next, from the diagram, you can see that vertices M and Y are corresponding vertices, vertices N and X are corresponding vertices, and vertices P and Z are corresponding vertices. Now, when writing a congruent statement for two polygons, always list the corresponding vertices in the same order. So, a congruent statement for the two given triangles is triangle MNP is congruent to triangle YXZ. Now, because triangle MNP is congruent to triangle YXZ, their corresponding parts are congruent as well. To identify all pairs of congruent corresponding parts, first list the corresponding angles. From the pair of single arcs on the diagram, you can see that angle P corresponds and is congruent to angle Z. Also, from the pair of double arcs on the diagram, you can see that angle M corresponds and is congruent to angle Y. Finally, from the pair of triple arcs on the diagram, you can see that angle N corresponds and is congruent to angle X. Next, you need to list all pairs of corresponding sides. From the pair of single tick marks on the diagram, you can see that side MN corresponds and is congruent to side YX. Also, from the pair of double tick marks on the diagram, you can see that side NP corresponds and is congruent to side XZ. Finally, from the pair of triple tick marks on the diagram, you can see that side PM corresponds and is congruent to side ZY. This gives you a list of all pairs of congruent corresponding parts.